So plant physiology, photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration in plants, plant growth and development. Melvin Kelvin show formation of sugar from carbon dioxide with C14, that is radioactive isotope. So photosynthesis in higher plants, where what do we know? Then early experiments, then where does photosynthesis takes place, then how many pigments are involved in photosynthesis, what is light reaction, the electron transport, where are the ATP and NADPH used, the C4 pathway, photorespiration and factors affecting photosynthesis. So early experiments, Priestley experiment. Okay, CO2 plus H2 in presence of light, formation of sugar H2O, then oxygen release. Now another expression, 2H2A plus CO2 in presence of light, formation of 2A plus CH2O, that is sugar plus H2O. Now the final photosynthesis expression, 6CO2 plus 12H2O in presence of light, formation of sugar, that is C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. So where does photosynthesis takes place? In the chloroplast of mesophyll cells. So section of chloroplast showing outer membrane, inner membrane, stroma, lamella, then grana consists of stack of thylakoids, then stroma, ribosomes, then starch granule, then lipid droplet. So in the grana or stroma lamella, the thylakoid membrane, where light independent reaction takes place. In stroma, dark reaction takes place. So how many pigments are involved in photosynthesis? So chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophylls and carotenoids are involved. Now first diagram, like on y-axis absorption of light by chloroplast pigment, and okay, now showing the chloro, first one is like you see chlorophyll A, carotenoids and then chlorophyll B. Now rate of photosynthesis measured by O2 release. So rate of photosynthesis in the second diagram. Now light absorbed versus wavelength of light in nanometers. On x-axis, okay, rate of photosynthesis and absorption. So first graph showing the absorption spectrum of chlorophyll A, B and carotenoids. Okay, now graph showing action spectrum of photosynthesis in the second diagram. In third diagram, graph showing action spectrum of photosynthesis superimposed and on absorption spectrum of chlorophyll A. So chlorophyll A and rate of photosynthesis almost the same. Now what is light reaction? Involves light harvesting complexes, photosystem 1, photosystem 2. There is antenna, okay, that is this. There is reaction center of chlorophyll A. The specific wavelength P700, P680. The light harvesting complex, pigment molecules are bonded together, then reaction center, then photon falls, then primary acceptor. So this is what is light reaction. Now electron transport system, that electron transport you see in the diagram, Z scheme of light reaction, LHC, then electron acceptor, then LSC, then electron acceptor, then NADP plus is reduced to NADPH. So light falls on LHC, then electron acceptor. This is photosystem 2. Then goes through electron transport system, ADP plus inorganic phosphate converts into ATP, and also at LHC H2 it converts into 2 electron plus 2 H plus oxygen. Then photosystem 1. Okay, so this is the Z scheme. Now electron transport system consists of cytochromes. This is Z scheme. Now splitting of water, 2H2 plus 4H plus plus O2 plus 4 electron. Now cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So cyclic photophosphorylation, you see chlorophyll P700 false light, then electron acceptor, then electron transport system, so formation of ATP from ADP plus inorganic phosphate. This cycle goes on continues. So this is cyclic photophosphorylation. Now chemiosmotic hypothesis. ATP synthesis through chemiosmosis. There is thylakoid membrane. Inside it is lumen, outside it is stroma. So inside on thylakoid membrane it is F0. On stroma side it is F1 having ATP synthesis in. So ATP is converted into ATP when the hydrogen passes through this F0 and F1. Now there is photosystem 2, then cytochromes B and F, then photosystem 1, and ADP plus is converted into ADPH. H plus goes into lumen. What are the ATP? Where are the ATP and NADPH used? In the biosynthetic phase of dark reaction. Now Kelvin cycle 3-phosphoglyceric acid or PGA is formed. Now in C4 cycle oxaloacetic is formed. So C3 pathway and C4 pathway